Hey, what's up? It's your best fiend Crow here. My apologies for this video being up kind of late, but man, I just had so much studying to do, and stress fucking kills. Alright, well, let's get started with the questions here. Alright, how would you want your Christmas to be? If you could describe it in one word. Macabre. You don't know what it means? Look it up. And really, Christmas ain't my thing. Like, I celebrate it, but it's not my ideal holiday. I do Yule. Um, would you rather have no sex or real love? I really don't even give a flying fuck about sex or love. But I guess I'd choose love. And not even love from a lover. If I could have love from my friends or from a family member, my family, or even a pet or the higher powers, I'm game. I I don't know when it comes to sex or love. Y'all know me by now. I give zero fucks. All right. What memory would you like to relive? I think as of right now, the first day I started my job, because I've been wanting to work at this place for years, and I've dreamed of working here, and I'm still in denial that I got it, and just, I don't know, my first days, I don't know, just doing what I did was multiple orgasmic. It's just, I love it here. And Lynn asked, do you put on your pants or shirt first? Since I'm like kind of a skinny jean type of guy, I put on my pants first. And gentlemen, for those of you that wear skinny jeans, y'all know it can be kind of a hassle, can't it? It fucking hurts sometimes. Alright, so, music, wait. Really, I wonder what, you know, does music, I don't know, and this isn't my question, but really, what does music mean to you if you think about it? Is it, is it an emotional outlet? Is it a sanctuary, like something you go to for comfort or safety? Or do you just listen to it or do you just listen to it for fun? Music means a lot to me. I love all types of music. My music type is pretty diverse. Of course, my favorite band is the Beatles. I would have to say my favorite singer is Rob Zombie. I love. Oh, and I love even. I even listen to a lot of soul. I know it's because I'm such a metalhead. It almost like these types of music contradict each other, but I just I don't know, like my playlist one day was a combination of like I forgot, oh man, I forgot what it was, like ECDC and Bullet for My Valentine and Chaka Khan and Michael Jackson. I listened to some pretty fucked up shit. But really, music seems to be losing its meaning. It's lyrics are so fucking explicit now, man. Like it used to be, it used to be. And don't get me wrong, ain't nothing wrong with singing about sex, but at least do it tastefully, But now lyrics are basically, come suck my dick, and it seems that people aren't even trying. And now, like, since so many celebrities or singers are trying to outdo each other, It's either you're trying too hard or you're not trying at all. But no, I mean, well, I digress. There are a lot of many music artists that are trying to, do their own thing and um, that really are serious and all about the music, and I really appreciate that. Um, but really, there are some artists that just, and I don't even see how these artists are fucking popular because they don't even, some of them don't even fucking sing. I mean, society, these these artists, these contemporaries have really, put music in kind of a clusterfuck, and they've ridiculed it. And because of it, it seems that music is just losing what it's all about. Music is an emotional outlet. It's music serious. And if, I don't know, some of these, music artists, I advise you to take this more seriously. Take music seriously. People look up to you. People, you know, need to be entertained. People, need some sort of emotional outlet. And if you're just singing because you're horny, well, in that case, so long, because the end is probably near soon. Alright, um, now I think I've told you guys already that I used to be a singer in my church, because, I'm not anymore, and I'm not even going to get into that because that's a whole different story. But, I was in a very dark place in my time, and I was in, my bad, I'm stumbling over words, I'm sorry, my head is just in such a clusterfuck right now because of finals. But I was in a very dark place at that time, and I just needed some sort of emotional outlet and some place of comfort. And what was awesome about it is that I incorporated music with my spirituality. And a lot of times, if I needed to say like a prayer or something, I would sing it, you know. And I got this idea from the saint, if a lot of you Catholics, if you know Saint Cecilia, because she used to sing her prayers to God. And I think that even, if I'm not mistaken, when she was decapitated, she sang to God as she died, and I thought that was, oh my God, that was beautiful. I know it's a bit morbid, but don't forget, I'm a morbid person, so it's all relative. But yeah, I really hope that music gets to be back to, being a work of art, um, like it used to be, and yeah, music is a pretty serious thing, and I advise you to take it seriously. All right, so now I'm gonna I'm gonna end this video with my question. Now, I think it was last week. We had a question from one of our viewers asking if which gay from my gay peeps would you take with you if you were stranded on a deserted island. Now my question is, all right, well, okay. Imagine my gay peeps, each and every member, were all stranded on a deserted island. How would we survive? Like, what would happen? Like, think of this as like Gilligan's Island. Who would be who, what would be whose job, what's everyone's job to do. And in this case, it's going to be Gayigan's Island. So, um, yeah, so be creative, have fun with this. And I'm not going to answer it now. I'm going to answer it afterwards because I want y'all to run this. I want to see what you guys come up with first. I want to see how you guys would handle things or different jobs you give each other. And who be who. And now, just because I have red hair and am gay does not automatically make me ginger. Okay? So, if you got a better reason for me to be ginger, think of something else, or use that, but I just have a feeling I'm going to hear it to death, so yeah. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. But have fun with this. Be nice. And alright, so that wraps it up. Comment, subscribe, give us feedback. We appreciate honesty. And until next time, rest in pieces.